This video will help different roles of the CTS to understand how to do their respective roles in the examination module. Key responsibilities of ITI NSTI examiner. Registration, only for new examiner. Complete profile details. Accepting mapping requests. Updating practical exam fee marks. Open the URL on your browser. Click on the Register button. Click on Partner Card. Scroll down and click on the Examiner card. To register as an examiner, the user will have to fill the shown form. In the first section, the user will have to fill in the personal details. Please note, select the preference and upload the profile picture in required format. Next, fill in the required contact details. Then click on Submit. Enter the OTP received on your mobile and email in the respective boxes. Please note, if you do not receive the OTP, click on Resend OTP. After entering the OTP in the respective fields, click on Submit. Then the user will be taken to their profile. Click on the Profile button on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Then click on the Update Profile button. Here the user can see the details that are already there and then all the details that must be entered. Now, in the Academic Qualifications section, click on Add Qualification. Fill in all the required fields. Please note, upload the educational documents in the allowed format only and ensure the size is less than 4 MB. Once you have completed filling the details, click on Submit. In Technical Qualification Details, click on Add Qualification button. Fill in all the technical qualification details. Please note, upload the educational documents in the allowed format only and ensure the size is less than 4 MB. In Work Experience Details, click on Add Work button. Fill in the work experience details and upload the relevant documents in the required format. Then click on Submit. In the Preference Details, select between ITI and NSTI. Then select your preferred state from the drop-down menu. Next, select your preferred districts. Please note, the district option is only applicable to the examiners who have chosen ITI as their preference. The examiner needs to select 3 districts in their preferred districts. Click on Save. This will add 1 district. Repeat the process to add 2 more districts. Once you have selected 3 districts and filled all the required information, click on the Submit for Approval button. Please note, once you have submitted the form, all the details will freeze and you would not be able to make any changes. Please note, post-approval from Nodal ITI, the examiner will receive mapping request. Click on Mapping from the left menu. This will show all the mapping requests sent to the examiner. Click on Action button and then the user has to click on Accept or Reject as per their convenience. Please note, ITI examiner can be mapped to a maximum of 8 units within the same examination schedule for 1 year and 8 units for 2-year trainees. After each examination cycle, he/she may update location preferences, with previously selected locations remaining as default. Post-acceptance, the center mapping will be done. Please note, the examiner needs to complete this process immediately after the practical examinations are over. To further enter marks, click on Batches Practical Marks from the left menu. Here they can enter the marks for all the MAP trainees. Click on the attendance drop-down and mark the attendance between present and absent. Please note, the marks field will be disabled for trainees marked as absent. Enter the marks of all the trainees. Please note, post entering marks, the examiner will have to upload a scanned copy of the attendance sheet of these trainees. Click on Upload Document and upload the attendance sheet document. Then click on Upload button. Post uploading the document, click on Save Marks button. Then click on Submit for approval. Please note, when the user submits the marks for approval, the nodal ITI will check and approve the marks entry.